Tara, check na natin yung meal prep for today. Come on! Hey guys, it's breakfast time. I'm having this Black Forest overnight oats. And grabe, it's super loaded. Mix lang natin mga sis. I-mix lang natin yan. Come on! So here's the Black Forest overnight oats. Oh my gosh, today it's gonna be a long day. In a few minutes from now, like 20 minutes from now, meron akong work and Zoom meeting with my clients. So, apparently, every Tuesdays to Saturdays, may 8 AM session ako sa kanya. Wow! This is super good. Grabe yung combination of flavor. Black Forest. Alam mo yung Black Forest na ano, ng Red Ribbon. Nako, parang ito. Pero ito oatmeal version. Oh my God! Sarap. Anyways, I need this breakfast and later bibili ako ng coffee. Today is gonna be a super long day and I declare na madami tayong matatapos. Alright? Oh, bago ako mag-work, subo na guys. So, isa pa perfect, nakagising to. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys later lunchtime. Bye! Work na ako. Hey guys, it's lunchtime and for lunch, I have this chimichurri chicken with java rice with carrots, potato, and radish. So ito yung chimichurri sauce. OMG, I'm gonna pour it all over it, like on top. OMG! Chimichurri chami, leti pipio. Char! Alam niyo yun, Tin? Abutan niyo ba yun? Kung batang 90s ka na, abutan mo yung tea. No? Ayan. So, ang gagawin ko ay itatabi ko yung manok ng sa ganung paraan ay talaga namang mas madali ko siyang makuha, no? Ang ating part ay pecho, yes. OMG, I'm so productive today. Ayan, tikman na natin mga sis. Sorry guys ha, just a reminder na ang meal prep ko ay Mondays to Fridays, kaya naman talagang pag Saturdays, Sundays guys, rest day ko na yun sa paggagawa ng content dito. Ha, okay lang ba? Mondays to Fridays na tayo mag-upload. Salamat! So, here you go. I-try natin mga sis. Kakainit ko lang neto. Microwave ko lang. That is so powerful. Power yung lasa sis. Napaka-power. Grabe, herbs and spices together and the chicken breast part is not like dry at all. It's very tender. I wonder how they do it kasi pag ako, ang dry ng chicken breast ko. One more. See you later. Hey guys, it's dinner time. Okay. Kakatapos ko lang mag-webinar. Napagod ako and it's time to eat. At masaya ko si ang dinner ko ay beef bulalo sinigang with brown rice. Parang kansi. Come on. Tapos ito ay bean curd. Dapat snack ko to eh. Bean curd skin roll with minced pork and shrimp. Shalante. Hala, namiss ko yung kansi. Huling kansi ko guys. Alam mo kailan, te? Sa Siargao pa, sa Habab, ay super miss Siargao. Ayan siya, ilalagay ko siya dito. Ayan na, ito yung beef guys. Ilalagay ko siya dito at magta-thumbnail ako guys. Huwag kayo marito, magta-thumbnail muna ako. Ayan. Beef bulalo sinigang. Oh my gosh, tama ba? Tama. So it's fancy, right? Tama. Comment below. I'll go. Ano lang ako, magta-thumbnail ako. Ayan, come on, let's try it. Ito siya guys, oh, I'll show you. Come on, pero walang bone marrow. Oo. Sure, naghanap ng bone marrow. Try natin sa bowl, sis. Haluin muna natin kasi kanina pa to. At may kangkong siya guys. Perfect, sis. Tapos may brown rice yung kasama. Girl, ang tender. Girl, ang lasa. Ang sarap maasim. Gusto ko yung maasim. Hindi mo na kailangan ng kalamansi. Ang sarap. Ano na? Ito naman try natin. Yung bean curd. Oh my God. Mm. Wow. Ang sarap na ito. Ala, panalo. Wagi. Gulay tayo. Whew. Oh my God. Daily's diet. Thank you. Ang sarap. The best. Isa pa, isa pa. Asim sarap. Char. So, that's it for me for today. Napakasarap na... So, that's it for me for today. Napakasarap ng meal ko. Sobrang na-enjoy ko. Sana na-enjoy niyo din. And I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye!